హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ అండ్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ టెట్ అండ్ డిఎస్సి నెట్వర్క్. మీరు ఈ వీడియోని ఫస్ట్ టైం చూసినట్టయితే ఈ వీడియోకి లైక్ చేయడం, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయడం అండ్ అలాగే మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. ఓకే, in last video we have discussed in detail about the environment and types of the environment and the environmentalists their research. Okay, in this video we will discuss about the dimensions of development and their interrelationships. Okay, here dimensions of development means like the human development stages all comes under the dimensions of development. Okay, according to the Elizabeth Hurlock in her book Developmental Psychology, she divided human development into 10 stages. Who divided the human development into the 10 stages? Elizabeth Hurlock. Who written the developmental psychology? Elizabeth Hurlock. Okay, this is the important point we have to remember. What are those 10 stages? We will see in detail. First one, prenatal stage. It is from fertilization to birth. Here the word itself is pre, means before the birth we have to remember. Okay, from fertilization to birth is the prenatal stage. Second one, neonate stage. It is from birth to the end of second week. From birth to the end of second week is neonate stage. Third one, infancy stage. It is from end of second week to the end of second year is infancy stage. Okay, fourth one, early childhood stage. It is from 2 to 6 years. And fifth one, late childhood stage. It is from 6 years to 10 or 12 years is the late childhood stage. Sixth one, early adolescence or puberty stage. It is from 10 or 12 years to 13 or 14 years. From the options we have to choose whether it is given 6 to 10 years or 6 to 12 years. If it is given 6 to only 10 years, means we have to choose late childhood stage. Or else if it is given 6 to 12 years also, we have to choose the late childhood stage. Okay. Next, seventh one, adolescence. It is from 13 or 14 years to 18 years is adolescence. Eighth one, early adulthood. It is from 18 to 40 years is early adulthood. Ninth one, middle age. It is from 40 to 60 years. Middle age is from 40 to 60 years. Next, tenth one, old age. It is from the age of 60 to the death. From 60 to till death. Old age is from the age of 60 to till death. So these 10 stages are very important. So we will see in further videos in detail explanation of all these stages. Okay, this is according to the Elizabeth Hurlock. She divided the human development into 10 stages, but in general we have only 8 stages. Means here last 3 stages are known as the only adulthood stage. Okay, last 3 stages are merged into the adulthood stage. Okay, this is the very important. All those 8 stages detailed explanation I will upload in the further videos. Okay, so we will see in this video detail about the prenatal and the neonate. Okay, we will see now first what is prenatal. Here prenatal stage means what we have seen from fertilization to the birth, right? Here prenatal is divided into 3 stages. First one is zygote stage. Here zygote stage means it is from fertilization to the second week of pregnancy. From fertilization to second week of pregnancy is the zygote stage. And next one, embryo stage. Embryo stage is from end of second week to the 2 months is embryo stage. So in this embryo stage what will happen means in the child body parts like a head, hands, fingers all will form in the embryo stage. All body parts will form in the embryo stage. Okay, next third one, fetus stage. It is from end of second month to the birth. fetus stage is from end of second month to birth. In this stage, what will happen means no new parts will formed, but the organs which were formed in the embryo stage will develop in the fetus stage. Okay, here in the embryo stage, the weight of a baby will be 1 1 1 by 4 ounce, and the height of a baby will be 11 inches. Okay, in embryo stage the weight of a baby will be 1 by 4 ounce, and the height is will be 11 inches. Okay, this is about the prenatal stage. Indeed, next we will see the neonate stage. It is from birth to the second week. Neonate stage is from birth to the second week is neonate stage. Here in this stage the child will adopt the prenatal environment to postnatal environment. Ab- About these prenatal and postnatal types we have discussed in last video. If you have not watched means I will mention in the icards. Don't forget to watch the last video so that you can understand this topic easily. So in this stage the child will adopt to the from prenatal environment to the postnatal environment. Here the child's first adjustment will occur, like breathing, food intake, digestion, excretion, climate adjustments. All these adjustment will occur in the neonate stage. Okay, here the first emotion we can see in the neonate stage. In a child the first emotion we can see in which stage? Neonate stage. Like what that emotion means? Excitement. First emotion in a child is excitement. This is very important. All these points are very very important. We have to remember each and every point. Okay, there is a chance of asking direct questions like what is the first emotion in a child development, like that. Okay, next, the first response of a baby is crying. The response of a baby is crying. Okay, next, the fully developed organ is skin. The fully developed organ in a child is skin. Okay, and next, the last and the slowest sense is attention. Okay, attention will develop slowly. Okay, senses like attention will develop slow, and the highest sense is taste. Here the taste will occur after the birth of 2 hours. After the birth of 2 hours the sensation of taste will occur in a child. We can see after the birth, if the child is given, if anything was we kept near to the mouth of him means he will change his face expressions. So there we can say that uh, there is a sense of taste, some taste he is tasting. Okay, like that. First sense of taste, highest sense is taste. It will form after the birth of 2 years. This is very very important. Okay, okay friends, in next video we will discuss in detail about the infancy. It is a very important stage, and there is a more chances of asking from the questions in the infancy and the early childhood stages. So don't forget to watch the videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay friends, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.